Good morning, children. Now we will continue with the health and hygiene lesson part 3. So previous class we have seen till the deficiency disease, right? So now we'll move on to the next topic, minerals. Minerals are required for our growth as well as for the regulation of our normal body function. So it is required for our growth and the normal regulation of our body. Okay. So what are the source of minerals? Minerals are rich in green leafy vegetables like spinach, pulses, eggs, milk, fish and fruits. They are the important source of minerals. So minerals are also a protective food. It is also a type of protective food. The normal proportion, the normal weight of a body needs all the basic minerals. Okay. Now, what are the different types of minerals and their function? Now, let us see. So, calcium. Calcium is the first mineral. So, what does the calcium do in our body? It helps to strengthen the bones. It helps to strengthen the bones, teeth and clotting of blood. Next is the phosphorus. So what is the function of phosphorus in the body? Phosphorus helps to make our bones strong and the teeth also strong. Iodine helps in synthesis of thyroid hormone. It is an important mineral which helps in the synthesis of thyroid hormone. Okay. Next is iron. Iron helps in the formation of hemoglobin and the brain development. It helps in the formation of hemoglobin and for the brain development. Are you clear? So, what does the calcium do? It helps to strengthen the body. It helps in strong bones and strong teeth, and it helps in preventing the blood, that is blood clotting. It helps in clotting of blood. Okay, so they are the functions of calcium. So calcium helps to strengthen our bones and teeth, and it helps to clot the blood. It helps in clotting of blood. Next is phosphorus. What are the functions of phosphorus? Again, it helps in strong bones, developing strong bones and teeth. It helps in developing strong bones and teeth. Next, iodine. So, what is the function of iodine? As I said, it helps in the synthesis of thyroid hormone. So, this is a thyroid gland, you can see. So, in that gland, thyroid hormones will be secreted. Okay. So, for secreting that hormone, iodine is essential for our body. Are you clear? So, iodine helps in synthesizing of thyroid hormone. Okay. Next is iron. So, what does iron do in our body? It helps in forming hemoglobin, that is formation of hemoglobin, that is nothing but the blood cells. It helps in producing blood cells, and it also helps in the formation of brain development. It helps in the brain development. Are you clear? Next is water. Why do we need water? Our body needs water in an adequate amount, or a supply of water is needed to maintain the good health, right? So the body needs adequate supply of water to maintain a good health. If we wanted to stay healthy, we have to drink more amount of water. Any human being should take minimum of 8 tumblers, that is approximately 2 liters of water every day. So approximately we have to drink 2 liters of water. So that helps to keep our body healthy. So what are the benefits of drinking water? So if we drink water, it helps to keep our skin healthy. It cures and aches and pains. It helps in weight loss, for a better digestion, for kidney health. So the body weight is more than 65% of our body weight contains water. So it helps to boost our energy. So water is essential for staying healthy. For good health, we have to drink more amount of water. Next is balanced diet and healthy living. So how to stay healthy? So we have to eat the nutrients, that is healthy fruits and vegetables. The nutrients, all the basic nutrients should be taken in our regular diet. Only then we can stay healthy. So what are the things we have to eat to stay healthy? We have to eat right. What is that eat right? We eat right is nothing but eating in a proper diet, that is proper nutrient intake should be there for staying healthy. So what will happen if we eat unhealthy foods? When we eat unhealthy food, it leads to obesity and illness. So we have to eat healthy. So we have to maintain a proper balanced diet for staying healthy. A diet should contain adequate amount of all necessary nutrients required for healthy growth and activity. So a diet should be maintained properly to maintain a healthy growth and activity. The diet should contain adequate amount of all the necessary nutrients for healthy growth and activity. Increased capacity to work, good physical and mental health, increased capacity to resist disease, help in proper growth of the body. Okay, so that is, for being healthy, we have to follow all these steps. So look at the pictures. Do these children look normal? Guess what would be the reason? The reason is malnutrition. What is malnutrition? The children are in this condition due to malnutrition. Malnutrition occurs when all the nutrients that the body needs are not obtained in proper proportion. So the basic need or the basic proportions of nutrients is not supplied to the body, the child would suffer with malnutrition. So the disease caused due to the lack of nutrients are called as deficiency diseases. They are called as deficiency diseases. If proper nutrients are not taken in the body, then the body leads to the disease called deficiency diseases. Now let us see what are the protein deficiency diseases. When a child is not taking the protein content properly, the child is affected by two different types of protein deficiency disease. So the first disease is washiorkor. Washiorkor. So what are the symptoms of washiorkor? Stunted growth, swelling of face and limbs, and diarrhea. So they are the symptoms of washiorkor. Next protein deficiency disease is marasmus. So marasmus symptoms are skinny appearance and slow body growth. That body development is slow. So these two are the two protein deficiency disease, marasmus and washiorkor. Okay. The next is mineral deficiency disease. So if proper mineral intake is not there, that mineral deficiency that leads to mineral deficiency disease. Calcium leads to rickets, phosphorus deficiency leads to osteomalacia, iodine deficiency leads to cretinism in child and goiter in adult, iron deficiency leads to anemia. Let us see in detail. So this is the rickets. This is as I said in our previous class. So rickets are formed due to the lack of nutrient, that is calcium. Due to the lack of calcium, the bones will become flexible. The bones will become soft and flexible and bowed. That is bow legs. It is called as bow legs. That is called rickets. Next mineral deficiency disease is phosphorus. So when the phosphorus intake is less in the body, the deficiency disease is called osteomalacia. That is called as the bones become soft. The bones will become soft. So you can see in the normal bones, the cartilages are very thick. In osteomalacia, it is porous. It is porous. So the bones becomes soft. The bones become soft. That leads to osteomalacia, that is phosphorus deficiency disease. Next is iodine deficiency disease. So iodine deficiency disease, in child it causes cretinism. In child it leads to cretinism, and in adult it leads to goiter, swelling of the neck. Okay. So these two are the deficiency disease in child and adult. Next is iron deficiency disease. Iron deficiency disease leads to anemia. What is anemia? The red blood cells will be less in amount. Okay, so you can see the normal person blood, more number of red blood cells and white blood cells are there. But in an affected person, that is anemic person, the red blood cells and the white blood cells are very minimum in number. So very less number of RBC and WBC. Okay, so that is the symptoms of anemia. That is lack of hemoglobin, that is RBC or WBC. Are you clear? Next topic is physical exercise and rest. Physical exercise in any body activity that enhances or maintains physical fitness and overall health and wellness. So physical exercise, it maintains physical fitness and overall health and wellness. Physical exercise, it increases the growth and development of a person. It helps in strengthening muscles and cardiovascular system, developing athletic skills, weight loss or maintenance and enjoyment. Decreases childhood and adult obesity. Sometimes physical exercise helps to reduce childhood obesity and childhood and adult obesity. So physical exercise is also as much as important as taking in the proper nutrient or proper diet. Okay. Next is rest. Why do we need rest? Proper amount of rest is essential for the physical and mental health. So rest is as important as nutrient and physical activity of a growth and development of good health. So after a heavy work, we are advised to take a rest for some time. So it is necessary for our body. It is as important as nutrients. So after a work, we have to take a rest. Rest is important for our body. Next is personal hygiene or personal cleanliness. Hygiene is a set of practice performed to preserve health. According to the World Health Organization, hygiene refers to the condition and practices that helps to maintain good health and prevents the spreading of disease. So what are personal hygiene? Personal hygiene involves the practice performed by an individual to take care of one's body health. So what are the personal hygiene? Brushing regularly, taking bath, cleaning our hands regularly, trimming the nails. Not only this personal hygiene, we have to keep our environment clean, that is our house, whatever we are doing, the restrooms, that should be clean, and we have to wear a proper cleaned washed clothes. So everything comes under personal hygiene. Are you clear? So that's all children, we come to the end of this session. The next topic will go with introduction of microbes. Thank you children.